How does $20,000, $30,000 or more a month sound to you? How about $50,000? Hindi po imposibleng makamit ninyo ang kikitain ito. Marami na po ang munlad ang pamumuhay dahil sa online business na ito. My desire to generate income on the side was fueled by my aspiration to continue helping disadvantaged children pursue higher education. Ako po ay si Eden, isang retired nurse, Tubong Bicol, Philippines, at ngayon po ay naninirahan na rito sa USA. Wow! Hanggang ngayon ay di ko pa rin po napapaniwalaan ang nakaraang taon. How blissful it was to be able to continue my goal as well as be able to travel, brought possible by the flexibility and portability of this business. Tama po, dahil sa automation where steps are already laid out, your business is open 24/7. Di na po kailangang mag door-to-door, knocking on doors to sell products. Wala pong stocking, walang shipping, wala ring inventories. Kailangan nyo lang po ay cellphone, laptop, at reliable internet connection. Kung tulad ko pong kulang sa kaalaman sa pagninegosyo at limitadong kaalaman sa teknolohiya ay naging maunlad dahil sa global online business na ito, hindi malayong marating din ninyo ang pangarap ninyo. Maaaring nais ninyo makabili ng sariling bahay, bagong sasakyan, maglakbay kasama ang inyong mga mahal sa buhay, magpaaral ng anak o apo sa kolehiyo, o makapag-ipon ng sapat na halaga para sa inyong retirement. Ano man po ang layunin ninyo ay di po imposibleng matupad. I can set you up and guide you to start your own business. Press the learn button below and see for yourself that we are real people owning real successful businesses. Wala pong mawawala kung inyong susubukan, ngunit maaari pong maraming mawala kung di ninyo susubukan. Once you register, access to introduction to the business and testimonies from real successful business owners will be unlocked for you. Thank you for staying till the end of my ad, and I hope to see you at the training. Salamat po ulit.